Good morning to everyone. Happy Valentine's sa lahat dyan. So, ayun guys, nakikita yung bukong gulo-gulo pa kasi. Katatapos ko lang mag-shower. So, ayun guys, mag-unboxing tayo ng gift from Dubai. So ayun guys, excited na ako. Let's see what inside. So, ayun guys, isa na natin. We'll see. I will check. Diyan. Tingnan natin kung wow. It's wow. That's wow. Tingnan natin ano ba 'to? May shower gel. Shower gel. May pabango na naman ako. Ang dami ko ng pabango.
Mag-business ka naman ay ng pabango.
Heart Love. Ay, ang dami naman. May pabango na naman ako. Body spray.
Tamang-tama yung uwi ka.
Perfume. Then, Heart Love lotion. Then, I'll take the other one. This one is
Bag ate, parang bag.
same from Dubai. So, hindi na siya nakabalot guys kasi may gift na ako last Christmas.
Bag.
Ay, wow. Pang display. Be happy, always tell me the truth. Be thankful, hard work. Ano siya? Pang display sa bahay. Help to others. Keep your promise. Use pang display sa bahay. Tama ito sa aking mansion. Then, charan! What is this? Tama na yung palatin. Ay, ang cute. Hi. Ah, diba? Slippers. Charan! It's nice. Cute. Puro naugat yung aking paa. So, ayan na guys. That's my video for today. Thank you for watching and happy Valentine's. Bye!